Hello friends. So yesterday OpenAI has released much awaited their open source model. So there are two versions of it. One is GPT OSS 120 billion parameter and one is GPT OSS 20 billion parameters. And this is their official page. And I think so. What I see here were trained using our most advanced pre-training and post-training techniques. Okay, yeah, so I see this table. So this model 120 billion parameters, 20 billion parameters, they have layers like 36 and 24. They have context length of 128K and active parameters per token 5.1 billion for 120 billion model and 3.6 billion for 20 billion model. And these models are mostly trained on English and text only dataset. For STEM, coding and general knowledge. And there are some other information over here. There are some evaluation metrics. So it seems 120 billion parameter is almost similar with O4 mini, and 20 billion parameter is also almost similar with I think O3 mini. So yes, this is not bad basically, and there are some other parameter comparison evaluation comparison which you can check later. But mostly it seems it's a good model which we can try. So what I did, I installed it into my server, which is basically GPU based T4 Tesla with 16 GB RAM. And I used Ollama. So Ollama is very good for running these kinds of models, and it's a simple command. So you run Ollama pull and Ollama run, and then it will start running. And this is the log which I am seeing. So this is running in my server, and to test this I used N10 workflow. So this is a simple N10 workflow which basically has very few nodes. It's an AI agent which receives messages from chat node. And here if you see in model, I am using Ollama chat model. So with N10 it is very easy to test these type of things. So if you see, you can create a credential for Ollama account. So I have already created it, but basically it only asks where your Ollama is hosted, where these models are running. And in my case, then I am running this model. That's it. And you can simply test it over here. So I already tested few things like tell me a funny joke. Answer seems to be good, not bad. I still have to test it more. And also then I asked who was Einstein, and it gave me some good result. I asked how many Nobel prizes did he get, and it gave me right answer. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, then you also can try 20 billion parameter model. So it is running, I think, pretty good from my server. So let's test one more. Who was Niels Bohr? And now if you see over here, it is hitting Ollama. And if I go to my server logs, so you see here it is running. So we see log over here, and if I come here, yeah, it is still running. So it takes time because it's a thinking model. So initially it thinks and then it responds with the answer. It gave the response back. I think these are good responses. It is telling everything about Niels Bohr. Yeah, so you can also give it a try. Let me know how do you feel, and I will also try to do some more testing. Thank you.